Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Wrike Web version step by step. If you're using Wrike directly from your browser and want to understand how everything works, yeah, this guide will make it easy. All right, first, open any web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Go to Wrike.com and sign in using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Wrike Web dashboard. So this is your main workspace. Everything you do in Wrike starts from here. On the left side, you'll see the sidebar. This is where your spaces, folders, and projects live. Clicking here changes what you see in the center. In the middle, you'll see your task list. This shows tasks based on the space or project you selected. This is where most of your daily work happens. When you click a task, the Task Details panel opens on the right. Here you can read descriptions, add comments, assign people, and set due dates. Everything related to that task stays here. In the web version, you can switch between list view, board view, and timeline view. So if you like visual tracking, board or timeline views work really well. To stay focused, use filters and sorting. You can filter by status, assignee, or due date. This helps you quickly find what you need without scrolling. And that's how to use the Wrike Web version step by step. If you're comfortable with this layout, you can use Wrike from any browser without installing anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.